Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video on DIY concrete planters. In this video, we shall guide you through the exciting process of creating your very own stylish and modern planters. Discover the benefit of using concrete as a versatile material, learn step by step instruction and get inspired to add a touch of urban oasis to your home garden. The beauty of concrete planters. Concrete planters offer a contemporary and sleek aesthetic that complements both indoor and outdoor spaces. They add a touch of sophistication and provide a sturdy foundation for your beloved plants. Concrete is a durable material that can withstand various weather conditions, making it an excellent choice for long-lasting planters. Moreover, the neutral tones and texture of concrete enhance the natural beauty of your plants, creating an urban oasis in any setting. Step-by-step instructions. Creating your own concrete planters is a rewarding and creative DIY project. Begin by gathering your materials, including concrete mix, water, a mold, and optional additives for customization. Prepare the concrete mix according to the instruction, ensuring a smooth consistency. Carefully pour the mixture into your chosen mold, which can be a silicone mold, a recycled container, or even homemade wooden form. Use a trowel or a spoon to level the surface and remove any air bubbles. Allow the concrete to cure for the recommended time, usually 24 to 48 hours. Once fully cured, carefully remove the planter from the mold and sand any rough edges if desired. You can you can personalize your planter with paint, stains or other decorative touches. Styling and planting tips. When it comes to styling your concrete planters, the possibilities are endless. Arrange them in a cluster and display them individually to create visual interest. Consider using different sizes and shapes to add depth and dimension to your arrangement. When selecting plants for your concrete planters, opt for varieties that suit your lighting conditions and personal preferences. Lush green foliage or vibrant flowers can beautifully contrast with the industrial look of the concrete. Ensure proper drainage by adding a layer of gravel or using a well-drained potting mixing. Conclusion. Crafting your own concrete planters allow you to bring a touch of modern elegance to your surroundings. By following our step-by-step instructions and incorporating your personal style, you can create unique planters that serves as stunning focal points in your urban houses. Get ready to unleash your creativity and enjoy the satisfaction of showcasing your greenery in stylish homemade planters. Thank you for watching our video.